Hello. So there's a very important question that many authors ask me, and that is how should I structure my book? Now, structure your book comes under various categories. It comes under the table of contents, the arc that your story needs to follow. That's one part of the structure that I talk about. Another part is how should it look? Now, I have one of the authors that I work with. She wants her book to be visually appealing because that's what resonates with her. She likes books that have some pictures which explain the idea. And that's beautiful because that way you can choose exactly how you want your book to talk to your readers. You don't need to have so many words per page. You can have some diagrams, you can have pictures. If you like taking photographs, you can share those on your in your book, and use them as backgrounds for to bring up some quotes. There's so much you can do in your book when you start thinking about, if you start wanting to put yourself into your book, because that's the only way you connect more with your audience. And yes, some of these options are more difficult or more expensive to publish, but I think the world is now slowly moving towards digital, and there are many digital options that you can look for in your books, and you can slowly build an audience for that and then publish it. It doesn't need to be a properly published book in the very first go. There are so many ways to do it. Just think through the different ideas and think about the things that you like when you read a book, the things that connect with you. Try to bring them out in your book.